Back here with another product review. This time it's the EV base radiator screen cover that goes down here for the radiator. The way it works right now is there's vents that open and close to allow airflow into and across the radiator, and because it's so low to the ground, it picks up leaves and debris right there and it gets sucked in, because that's like a big huge monster vacuum that's just sucking up anything that gets in front of it. What I have here are some covers. They're kind of in a two-piece part, so there's a left and a right, but each one of these comes apart. So I just remove the clips that are right here on it. And what that allows you to do is when you have this installed, you can pull off this screen, you can hose it off and clean it and then put it back, because you will get like bugs and leaves and everything there. And you don't want to force it into the system, you want to force it out. So occasionally you'll have to take these off. And again, they're super easy, because all you need to do is put this piece in there and then it just snaps into place like that. And so it locks into place. And then this plastic frame, so I'll take this out again. So this plastic frame is held in with these clips right here. They lock into the fins that are in the radiator cover. And so you'll just put this in place. Now it's easier to put this on first and then just snap these in. So we'll go through that. And the reason is you need to get the plastic piece to snap over top of the fin that's there. And if with this cover on, you can't really see what's going on. So it's much easier just to do it like this. So the easiest way to install this is to put this piece, two pieces together without the grills, and then slide it underneath the camera, and then move it side to side until you find that spot where it goes right down. So that's it right there. And then you're going to push those in, and again you have to watch the clips on the ends. So bring that in. Let's bring that in closer for you. So you can see right there, the clip is on the bottom side, so we need to get that up on top. And then it locks into place. And then this one's nice and tight like there. And then we'll do the same on that one. You can see it's kind of like you got to lift it up and over top of it. There we go. Oh, I've got this one wrong. So there's two clips. There's one that goes to the top one here, and then there's one to the bottom. So make sure the bottom one's locked into place, and then you can bring this one over top. You can see that. So you can see this one goes on the top side, this one goes on the bottom side, and then it locks into place. Now that we have that, you can see these have little legs here. So what we're going to want to do is put these in like that to the side. So you can see the clips there ready to go. It snaps into place. There we go. Let me take this one. This is going to stop all the leaves and debris getting in there, and then if you need to clean them, you can just pop these out, kind of just grab the end. And we've got it out. We'd hose it from this side to get all the stuff out, and then we can just put it right back. There we go. I've got a link down from EV Base with my discount code BC Tesla Guy. It'll save you a minimum of 20%, and it's good for anything on their site, and they're always running specials. I hope you like this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.